Hi guys, Mark, Foothill Paint Fabrication here. Thought I'd do a little quick video. Had been searching everywhere for seats and for my RestoMod project on my GTO, and I really didn't know which way to go. So I did find some seats, and it looks like they're going to work out great. So I thought I'd do a little quick video, kind of a suggestion if you guys may want to look into these types of seats for your project, whether you got a muscle car, you got a build going on, and you're looking for some later model seats that may fit right and look right and be comfortable. These may be the seats for you. So let's go take a look at them, and I'll showcase them a little bit so you guys can decide if they're the right ones for you. Okay, here they are. 2005 GTO front. I got the front and back seats. Got them off Craigslist for I think $300 or maybe $500, but it was still a great deal. And these seem to fit in the GTO really well. So if you've got a GMA body, from the 60s, mid to late 60s, these should fit really nicely and scale in there correctly so they look right. So let's take a close-up view of them. These are 5-way adjustable if you count the hand lumbar support. So let me put the camera in the tripod and we'll go through the functions and we'll take a look at them real quick. So if you guys are looking for seats for a RestoMod, these might be a good choice for you. Okay, I got temporary power hooked up to them so I can show you all the functions of them. So if you've got a two-door, you're obviously going to have to get seats out of a two-door coupe so they'll flip forward so that people can get in the back seat. So this one has that, and it's got a nice little cool feature. There's a button right here, so when you flip the seat forward to get in the back, then you hit the button and the seat will move forward so you can get in. But when you flip the seat back, the button reverses, and that allows you to push the seat back to where it was. Now there's no memory or anything, it'll just go back as far as you hit the button, but it's still a pretty nice feature. It has a hand crank lumbar, so it's really 5-way adjustable if you count the hand crank lumbar. So it goes forward and back obviously, and it goes up, down, and then it also rocks forward and back. And then the backrest here is power. So you can, adjust it to wherever you want. Now, if you've got like I said, a GMA body or anything similar in size, and you're looking for seats for your RestoMod, I think these are a really good choice. I sat in them when I first got them. Me and my buddy Dave, we sat in them, had a beer, and they are really comfortable. And that's what you really want. Obviously, the seats out of a mid 60s or early 60s cars, they weren't very comfortable. They didn't really hold you in very well, but these I think are going to be look really good in the GTO. I like the way they fit. I like the way they kind of look like they almost belong in there, although they're just a modern type seat. So if you're looking for seats for your RestoMod, definitely check out the seats out of a late model GTO. I think they made GTOs for 3 years, 2005, 6, and 7, I believe. So, and like I said, I think these came out of a 2005. I don't know what the other 6 and 7 year seats look like, but I'm sure they're very, very similar. So check them out. May work out for you.